Thailand electrification trend, hybrid lead the EV market until 2033. Then BEV will overcome, and its share will gradually increase and reach 45% in 2035 when most OEMs have strategy on shipping to 100% electrification. Japanese OEM remain dominant in hybrid market through midterm, which current remarkable growth of 29% year to date, supported by prominent compact SUV hybrid sales like Yaris Cross and HR-V. Chinese OEM currently hold more than 80% of BEV market because of competitiveness price strategy. BEV sales growth were over 600% last year, and 6 Chinese OEM already joined EV 3.0, while we expect Chery will join 3.5 this year. Pickup BEV will be the key changer for the BEV transition as pickup have had more than 35% market share. Both BEV and hybrid pickups are expected to launch in next year at the earliest. Range-extended EV is expected to launch next year for both pickup truck and passenger market, include those from Chang'an and Mitsubishi.